This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook rolled oats. Rolled oats are a fantastic, healthy breakfast that's incredibly easy to prepare. The fundamental principle is a simple 1-to-2 ratio, 1 part rolled oats to 2 parts liquid. You have the flexibility to choose your liquid, whether it's water, dairy milk, or any non-dairy alternative like almond or soy milk. This basic ratio ensures a perfectly cooked, creamy bowl every time, setting the stage for a delicious meal. For the stovetop method, combine your 1 part oats and 2 parts liquid in a small saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a low simmer and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. The oats will become wonderfully creamy and absorb most of the liquid, indicating they are ready to enjoy. If you're short on time, the microwave method is incredibly convenient. Simply combine your 1 part oats and 2 parts liquid in a large, microwave-safe bowl. This larger bowl helps prevent any messy overflows. Microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes, pausing halfway through to give it a good stir. After cooking, let the oats stand for about 1 minute. This brief resting period allows them to thicken further, achieving that ideal consistency. Once your rolled oats are perfectly cooked, it's time to get creative with toppings. You can sweeten them with a drizzle of honey, maple syrup, or a sprinkle of brown sugar. For added nutrition and texture, consider fresh berries, sliced bananas, or dried fruits like raisins. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds or chia seeds, provide a satisfying crunch. Don't forget spices like cinnamon or nutmeg for an extra layer of warm flavor. Enjoy customizing your perfect bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.